step here. After the legs have been fastened in, then there are these braces, both on the inside and on the outside. So these add quite a bit of strength to the piece. And I have full-size template that I cut these from, but sometimes the dimension is a little bit rough and too long, so you can place a piece here and scribe along this edge here and trim this to fit perfectly on there. Then just a matter of drilling the 3/16 diameter holes. Those are also marked on the template, so I just use this to mark the hole location. And then I'm ready to fasten it. And I use these 1 5/8 stainless steel square drive I guess they're deck screws, but they're really nice. No pilot hole. And there are 4 of these braces. Also, I forgot to mention that there's a bevel on the top edge. So here you can see the bevel. And I forget exactly what that angle is. It's in the drawing, but I just cut that on the table saw so that it fits snugly up into the bottom face of the saddle. As you can see, the legs are protruding up through the top face of the saddle here, and these need to be cleaned up to be flat, coinciding with the top surface here. Now, I'll use a hand plane for that, but one of the things I do before I start the hand plane is just knock off some of these fragile corners, and that'll keep things hopefully from splitting apart. This one, for example, here, let me knock that corner off. Chamfer it. Okay, that should help to protect that from splitting out. And so I just push the end up against the bench, and then start the plane. Okay, that's it. Nice and flush.